For a vertical shoot, you have same rules as before. Remove all unnecessary accessories that you don't need. If you want to shoot in case, leave it on. If not, remove it. If you want to attach power bank, light, or maybe mic, do it now. When you place phone inside the phone holder, make sure it's in the middle, make sure you have room, and when you're ready to do the balance, find the stable surface and lock all the motors, and only unlock the motors that you need to find the balance. Because this is tutorial and I need to point you some important things while I'm explaining, motor number 3 will be unlocked. The first motor is tilt, second motor is roll, and third motor is pan. That's the order for finding the balance. Make sure the first motor is unlocked, then unlock this latch and then point lens up. You need to find the position that the gimbal will stay in this. So if I leave it, it will go down, so it means I need to pull it up. But in this case, it goes down, so we need to push opposite direction. We reach maximum height and there is no room to push it up. If you have iPhone Pro Max or any other big phone, that you reach the limit, so it means you need to push the phone itself a bit down or up to find balance. So in my case, because I need to push it up, so I need to push phone as well a bit up. So now I push the phone a bit up and we found balance. Once the balance is found, lock it here and check the balance again. Tilt a bit in all directions. If the phone remains still, it means you found the balance. Once the balance is found, lock the motor so it won't distract you. The next one is the second motor, which is roll. Unlock it and unlock the latch here. Once it's unlocked, you can see it falls to the right side, so you need to push it opposite, so it means to the left. Here. Let's check the balance. It stays but not still. This is one of the difficult motors to find the balance. So it stays in this position, it stays in this position, and it stays here. So flip the phone, make sure this is locked. Check the balance again. It's not moving. So lock the motor and you have the last motor is number 3. Make sure it's unlocked here and it's unlocked here. The way to find the balance, you need to tilt gimbal a bit. Make sure it's in the center, this motor, and you push it to the left or to the right. If it stays in this position, it means it's balanced. But let's say it was here. Let's move. It goes and it goes here. So it means we need to push it a bit further and check again. It stays here and it's not stays here. So push again, just slightly. I think it's fine, so gently bring the gimbal back, lock here, Check again if it's balanced. Yes. Yes. Once we found balance for all motors, it's time to power on the gimbal, and again, once it's on, it can be vibrating. You get a message that calibration needs to be done and you press confirm. There is no message that needs to be calibrated, but when I hold the gimbal, I can feel vibration. Click on top left icon and click start calibration. You must do calibration every time you change something in your setup or if you've done any rebalancing. That way you will help to optimize all motors, and it will reduce battery consumption and overheating for all motors. You get green check mark. You can go back to the main screen. To check if balance is done properly, on your top right there is a button, click on it, use the joystick, and if you don't get any marks here, then it means it's perfectly balanced. The second way to check if the balance is fine, to lift the gimbal and start moving to all position. Again, if you don't get any marks, then it's perfectly fine. But if you get any marks like green, it means it's fine. Yellow should be rebalanced and red must be rebalanced. The next step is to open application that you prefer to take video and start using the gimbal. I just opened standard camera application, and if your balance is on, you can see it's slightly off balance. So what you can do is just fix it, fix the phone. You can fix the phone inside the holder. Do not rebalance everything, and it won't affect your balance if you check it again. If you have any additional questions, let me know in the comment section below. I would be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful. Hit the subscribe button if you still not subscribed, and see you in the next video. Bye.